The companies need to be mindful of the types of evidence that are available after an unfortunate motor vehicle accident. Those things include identification of witnesses, obtaining statements and testimony of people that have witnessed accidents, the collection of physical evidence that exists after an accident. Companies need to be mindful of the existence of data that's available on the vehicles involved in the accident. That includes things like event data recorder information, drive cam information, and telemetrics. When an accident happened, the investigative process begins immediately, prior to the case being referred to counsel. So it's very important that evidence be collected, particularly that type of evidence that has the tendency to dissipate or disappear with the passage of time. It's important that the drivers understand the importance of collection of evidence, as well as their managers. I made the point today that if at all possible for managers to get to the scene of an accident to assist in that process, that can be beneficial. But evidence collection is critically important. Use of data that's available now commonly can make the defense of a case very quickly. And so all of that technical data is important. And in my view, more data is what you want. You want more information, not less. In my view, dash cam video is invaluable, particularly to the pest control companies that have good practices. If a pest control company is confident in their practices with respect to the hiring and training and supervision of their employees, on balance, in the long run, that company is going to be much benefited by the presence of dash cam footage and taking advantage of that, as well as telemetrics. The failure to preserve relevant evidence related to an accident can result in the court imposing unfavorable inferences that would apply against the pest control company in the event such information is not retained. After an accident, the driver should, of course, call their office and 911 as soon as possible. After that's over with, in the event there is physical evidence that's available at the scene, be it evidence related to the road surface, the vehicles, people that are at the scene, the circumstances that exist at the scene at that time, if at all possible, it's important to photo document and video document that condition as it existed. Good practices have to be in place so that the drivers are trained on what to do in the event of an accident. The fundamental is that nothing is more important than safety. Pest control at a particular account, getting to an account at a particular time, extermination of bugs, nothing is more important than safety. Without safety, this industry doesn't exist.